This is how I track the train before I go to video it. So you go to, here it is, Amtrak.com, Track Your Train, HTML. I am interested in this train here, the Silver Meteor. So I'm going to zoom in. Okay, it gives me a detailed status. So it just went, the Silver Meteor, it doesn't stop at Okeechobee, it goes through Okeechobee. It just went through Okeechobee. Detailed train status, it says estimated arrival 6:41 in West Palm. I am located where I video the train is down here in this vicinity here, sometimes near the airport, sometimes here at this canal, and sometimes up at this intersection right here. And I know that now that the train is due in at 6:41, it takes it approximately 17 minutes after it passes this point to get to West Palm. We go down like this. There it is. It goes down through here like that. It takes 17 minutes to get there from this position. I know it's supposed to be there at 6:41. So I need to be out here in order to catch it at 6:20 p.m. The only other snafu in this is there's a swing bridge right here. So I've left early as the train is approaching this swing bridge, and then for some reason or another the swing bridge is open and then the train is stuck there, and I'm sitting there waiting and waiting and waiting for the train because it's stuck here. So if I watch this carefully, I can usually wait until it crosses here, and that takes about 8 minutes to get to there. All right, so that's it. That's how I track the train. Amtrak, Silver Meteor, 97, southbound, May 28th, 2025. ALC 42 leading. So I got the short vertical, and you can see me on horizontal.